Hey there, do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic project lined up, restoring this beautiful floor lamp to its former glory. As you can see, our lamp is in pieces. The first step in this restoration journey is to strip away that old, tired lacquer. And guess what? We're not going for the conventional method. We're using something you might have right in your laundry room. Laundry detergent. Yes, you heard that right. Grab your favorite laundry detergent and a bit of 3/0 steel wool. But before that, let's rewind a bit. We need to put on our superhero cape. Paint stripper. This is the secret ingredient that will help us break down that old paint. So before we dive into the detergent magic, apply a liberal amount of paint stripper to your metal parts. Coat your parts thoroughly and evenly with the paint stripper. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and be sure to wear protective gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. Now that our parts are coated, let's give the paint stripper some time to work its magic. This usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. Fast forward to a few minutes later, and you'll see the paint starting to bubble up. That's when you know it's time to get back to work. Apply a bit of detergent into a bucket of water and gently start scrubbing the surface of your metal parts with the steel wool. The detergent acts as a mild abrasive and helps remove that old lacquer. You can see how easily the lacquer is coming off, leaving us with a clean and shiny surface. Make sure you're thorough, and don't forget those hard-to-reach spots. Once you're satisfied with the lacquer removal, give your parts a good rinse under running water to remove any leftover detergent. Look at that shine. But we're not done yet, folks. Some of these metal parts have tarnish and rust, and we want our lamp to be flawless. Before we dive into the wire brushing, let's introduce a secret weapon to achieve that brilliant shine, a high-quality metal polish. Using a soft cloth, apply a liberal amount of the metal polish to your cleaned metal surface. This incredible polish will help bring out the true beauty of your metal parts, leaving them gleaming and pristine. So get ready for some serious shine, and let's make those lamp components dazzle. If you are enjoying this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned in for more exciting do-it-yourself projects. With this brilliant cleaning polish, you'll witness your metal components transform from dull to dazzling in no time. Its advanced formula not only restores but also protects, ensuring your lamp will shine brightly for years to come. Get ready to be amazed by the results. Time to bring out the big guns, a wire brush wheel. This will help us get rid of any pesky tarnish and rust. Now, let's tackle those stubborn rust spots. The wire brush attachment on your trusty drill is the perfect tool for the job. Its abrasive bristles will swiftly and effectively remove rust, revealing the smooth, clean surface beneath. Say goodbye to rust and let your lamp shine without any blemishes. Gently scrub away any tarnish or rust. This might take a bit more elbow grease, but trust me, the results are worth it. And there you have it, a beautifully cleaned and restored metal part. But we're not stopping here. To make it shine like a star, we'll give it a final polish. Now let's take our lamp restoration to the next level with the polishing wheel. But wait, there's one more secret technique to achieve that showroom finish using different types of polishing bars. Before you start, make sure your polishing wheel is securely attached to your drill. Then select the appropriate polishing bar based on your metal type and desired finish. Apply a small amount of the chosen polishing bar to the wheel, ensuring even coverage. With the wheel spinning at a moderate speed, gently guide it across your metal parts. The polishing wheel will work its magic, removing any remaining imperfections and bringing out the ultimate shine. Whether you're going for a high gloss or a subtle satin finish, these specialized polishing bars will help you achieve the perfect look. So gear up and let's give your lamp that impeccable professional-grade shine it deserves. Safety should always be a top priority in any do-it-yourself project, especially when working with power tools like a polishing wheel. When using a polishing wheel, it's essential to protect your eyes and respiratory system. That's why we highly recommend wearing safety glasses to shield your eyes from any potential flying debris or particles generated during the polishing process. Additionally, considering the fine dust particles that may be produced, an N95 mask is an excellent choice to safeguard your lungs and ensure you're breathing clean air. Prioritizing safety gear not only enhances your overall well-being, but also allows you to focus on the task at hand, knowing you're taking the necessary precautions. So don't forget your safety glasses and N95 mask before you dive into polishing your lamp to perfection. And there you have it, folks, completely restored and polished metal parts that are ready for plating. Check out part 2 to witness the captivating metal plating process and see how we put the finishing touches on this beautiful floor lamp. Thanks for joining us on this fantastic journey of lamp restoration. Don't forget to check the description below for links to the products we used. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting DIY projects. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, keep crafting, keep smiling, and may your do-it-yourself endeavors shine as brightly as your beautifully restored lamp.